Bullish estimates for Zzsa organization costs by 2030 run from 1 cent to 3 cents. Researchers in the market think that Zzsa could be worth 1 cent by 2025. The Zzsa organization's market price forecast for 2023 is $0. Presentation by the Zzsa Group XY Profit Organization, also known as Zzsa Organization, is shaping the future of information by showing the world's most memorable reality profit, the link between secure blockchain information and our real world. This innovation convention is meant to work on the legitimacy, reliability, and value of information. Building an information commercial center gives customers the highest quality level for any applications, websites, blocks, and innovations that depend on information. Scott Shepard came up with the state-of-the-art innovation project. Ari Trau and Marcus Levin worked on software engineering at the College of Cincinnati before getting a BS in software engineering from the New York Foundation of Technology. After working as a computer programmer for different companies, he started Yen2 and an administrations company. In 2012, he also started XY Labs, which makes new mobile and blockchain-related technologies. Shepard is a serial business visionary. Before Zzsa, he started Greenland, an automatic advertising company that specializes in automated media buying. The company made more than $13.60 MN in revenue. Finally, Levin is a serial tech business visionary who has led a number of ventures, such as Novacore, Hive Media and Koyo. 5 years after launch, the venture has done important things and built important things. These posts had a big impact on the value of the Zzsa token, which went up in price by 30,000% last year. The goal of the Zzsa organization is to create a trustless, decentralized system of local profits that can't be attacked and gives people the most confidence possible when they are asked for information. The project does this through a series of ideas that make it much harder to fake a location. This is done through a chain of zero information proofs along the parts of the system. Clients can send exchanges called questions to recover a piece of location information on any blockchain platform with shrewd agreement utility aggregators from the Zzsa company. The agreement will then pay attention to these questions and bring the answers. Precision from a decentralized network of devices that send digital proofs back to these aggregators. These aggregators then send these answers back into the savvy contract after agreeing on the answer with the best score. This organization of parts makes it possible to know with the utmost certainty that an item is at a certain XY location at a given time. Right now, the Zzsa organization is worth $0. Zzsa has changed 1.28% so far, with a trading volume of $6,352,748, with a market value of $61,588,670 USD. Zzsa is currently ranked 342 among all digital currencies. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the graph above, we can figure out cost plans for Zzsa organization to figure out if it's going to be a good year or a bad year. Our cost expectation gauges use constants to figure out if it's going to be a good year or a bad year. Organization Zzsa market information and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. Value estimate for Zzsa organization. From some points of view, 2023 Zzsa is one of the most interesting digital types of money to come out this year. The XY cost estimate for 2023 takes into account a major growth in the last part of the year that could add up to $0. As with other digital forms of money, the rise will be slow, but there won't be any big drops. On average, the price will stay the same. The price is high, but it will be possible soon if everyone works together and makes progress. Zzsa is supposed to be worth nothing at the start. Value Expectation Zzsa Organization 2024. Of every 2024 Zzsa organization, Zzsa cost estimate has a lot of room for growth because of the possible declarations of many new organizations and drives. We think that the cost of Zzsa will soon be more than 1 cent. Still, we should wait to see if the Zzsa's overall strength record comes out of the oversold zone before putting down any positive trades. Taking into account the uncertainty of the market, bets on Zzsa will trade with a base exchange rate of $0. Usually, swapping money costs nothing. Value estimate for Zzsa Organization 2025, if the pattern stays the same, it could hit 1 cent, and Zzsa could benefit if the market experiences a decline. The goal might not be reached. In 2025, the lowest price for exchanging Zzsa is expected to be 1 cent. Value expectation Zzsa Organization 2026, if the XYO Group does a good job of supporting market sentiment among digital money fans. According to our predictions, the price of Zzsa coins could stay the same for the next 5 years. In 2026, Zzsa is expected to do even better than its all-time high. In 2026, the virtual cash will be worth 1 cent, have a starting price of 1 cent, and usually cost 1 cent. Value expectation Zzsa Organization. After a lot of guanjing and technical research, we think that the Zzsa price will cross a standard value level of 2 cents by 2027. A base price of 2 cents is expected before the end of the year, and Zzsa has a maximum value of 2 cents. Zzsa's business value forecast for 2028 is based on things that are supposed to happen by 2028. We expect that a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price to around 2 cents. If Zzsa manages to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a maximum price of 2 cents. If Zzsa doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, it could get a low of 2 cents. Expectations for the Zzsa company's value in 2029. Zzsa is working to make it easier for companies to work together. The bullish trend from last year is expected to continue, so the base exchange rate has been set at 3 cents and the annual price is expected to be close to 3 cents in 2029. Value expectation Zzsa Organization 2030. By 2030, Zzsa Organization will finally do better than its past ADH values and set a new cost level. The base cost could be 3 cents, and the highest value could be 3 cents, making the average cost 3 cents. The digital money market is known to be very unpredictable, which is one of the many reasons why cost estimating as a difficult task tries to figure out future prices as accurately as possible. However, all predictions should